First, Calvin Abueva. Next, Japet Aguilar. Next, we have Raymond Almazan. Arriving on May 1 is Andre Blatch. Another big, we have Junmar Fajardo. A rookie, one of our guards, Gio Halalon. Another rookie to Gilas, first time sa Gilas, Alain Maliksi. Another PBA rookie, Roger Pogoy. And then we have Terence Romeo. MVP of the last game in Cagayan de Oro, Troy Rosario. The best point guard in Asia, Jason Castro William. And finally, MVP in Cagayan, MVP tonight, Matthew Wright. So yan po ang 12 manlalaro who will represent us sa Siaba next month. We hope for your continued prayers and your support. Maraming salamat po.